Hey guys, this is how we did the sniper lures sticker for the side of the boat. We're using the offset feature around the graphic that we created. So we've created a word sniper, a couple of barramundi and a target. So all we did to create what we created was to highlight all the images, go up to the offset at the top of the screen, click on the offset. We made them large 2 centimeter offsets, applied it, left it as the curvy one around the corners, and we applied it. And then we did it again. We offset it again and applied it, and that's how we came up with it. And then we just messed around with the colors. So that one we made black. You could make it yellow, so you can sort of see on the screen what it comes out like by changing the colors. And then you just click on the individual ones to change the color. And the middle one's that one. So if you want that yellow, you can see there that keep the colors separate so that when you go and cut your design, you can see what color to put into what area. So we'll go back to black. We'll go the outside of grey. This is how we cut them. The sniper was yellow. And when I did the fish, I actually did them in grey. So I'll change them to grey. I had yellow and grey. I picked grey outside when you see it on the video. And that's how we ended up doing it. So when we go make it, it'll change those three mats into colors for us: black, silver, and then yellow. So it'll separate it. So that's how we use the offset. It's come up really good. So give us a thumbs up, and we'll make some more.